It's November 3rd, 2025. This is here I got a burner service I got a call for. Annual, oil burner thing I do every year for the guy. And all the guy's been asking me about Molly. She's here. She's been hanging out at the house most of the time, but I had to kind of get her back to work here. She's been just, sleeping at home on the couch. She's got a bunch of dog beds all over the couch, and she just kind of she likes staying home, relaxing sometimes. I try to get her to come to work, but some days she wants to stay home. So she's fine. She's doing good. No problems. If something happened to her, I'd let you guys know. And try to get you some shots over there. Should be pretty straightforward in and out, like a lot of these that I maintain every year. They're running good and clean, and people stay up on top of them, and there's no issues. Anything can fail at any time, but you have a better chance of, you change your oil every 3,000 miles on your car. Every 4,000 miles, the motor probably going to last longer than if you change it every 10. Same thing with burner service. You're always best to stay up on top of it. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there.
Turn left at the stop sign.
Been working on my truck, been modifying my truck. I put a shelf up on top of there, put another shelf up on top of where I sit. I modified this seat that I'm sitting on, the bracket, to give me more usable space. I got a couple of bends up on top of there. All like kind of dead space before. I cut the thing so the door opens. Same thing with this one. I cut it here. So that door still opens, but the other part is. I think I changed that filter last year. I should probably check it. I could probably check it here, see what I'm getting. Yeah, no filter at tank. No nozzle. We'll put a new nozzle in and we'll check the oil flow coming out of the pump, see if that filter's still good. That's a Webster pump. No screen. It's an AF burner. I got the power off. Looks pretty clean. Check the burner head. That's fine. See, that's nice and clean. That filter's probably fine. If this was black, that's a problem. 75, 80 in there. Plate's nice and clean. Electrodes look good. It's an older burner here, but still working. We'll leave it alone. Let's see what we get for oil flow out of our pump here. If the filter's dirty, you'll get a wimpy flow. Let's see what we get for oil flow out of this pump. We're getting a good flow here, we'll be good. Let's see, let's turn up this low limit. We got a nice oil flow there. That filter's fine. A lot of these filters I've been doing every year. When I come the second year, the filter's still fine. It's been my so I mean, unless the filter's got some muck in it, I'm not changing it. This pump don't have a filter in it, but I'm getting a good flow, so the filter with the tank's still good. See how it fires. High limit's at 180. The low limit was at 120. I got a aqua bank there, so they had it turned down to 120. The high limit's at 180. Alright, filter at tank good. New nozzle, good oil flow. Good draft over fire, zero smoke. We've got zone valves up there.